Vintage Kit Jimenez mga idol, nagpakitang gilas sa kanyang team na Sarangani, lalo-lalo na sa fourth and final quarter. Tumulong din ang kanyang dating kabady sa maps phenomenal na si Richard Vilchis na umiscore din ng ilang points. Pero hari ng panalay mga idol na si Marvin Hayes ayaw din pawak at napakita din ang kanyang mainit na shooting sa labas. Sino kaya sa kanila ang mananaig hanggang dulo? Kaya tara mga idol, ating panoorin ang kanang full game highlights. Sarangani Gripper versus Muntinlupa Cagers. Pero bago dyan mga idol, paki-like naman, share at subscribe sa ating channel.
Well, one of the very rare times for Sarangani
record to begin. And now especially in their most recent games as Danny Marilao scores. They are top tension that Coach Mike because it seems like with Sarangani, they have really found their identity under Coach Toto Dohilio as Danny Marilao with a three-pointer has scored all.
Yes.
But ever since they lost 9 straight, it's been downhill talaga, no? Ang laki nung drop-off para dito sa Muntinlupa as Koy Alves.
Let's say Poroy should start looking for his shots right now. You cannot allow your Cagers to be down this so much.
Marvin Hayes, second attempt from the outside, a long two-pointer. The first field goal para dito sa Muntinlupa. Tantimbuhan. Sarangay inside for 2 points.
Good ploy by Poroy Cagers. And just this length on the floor allows them to have a rim protection. But you wouldn't need so much.
3-point lead for Sarangani. Patrick Ramos coming off the bench. Marvin Hayes on the left side. He fires off the glass and in. Another long two-pointer for the former JRU heavy ball.
And made a couple of long bounce. The other one being a 3.
And the layup.
Well, he's almost close to 90% at 89 from the line.
One-on-one against Jeff Viernes. He attacks right. He kicks it out to Ron Lastimosa for 3. No. Jimenez from beyond half.
In the in how Ladis was carrying himself, he understood that rim protection talaga ang kailangan nila sa akin dito. At yun naman ang binibigay niya. So you see a 3-pointer. That's the favorite spot of Kit Jimenez. Moment when he starts scoring, he's got to attack now.
Also the first appearance of Jera Flores.
I was going to say, including that guy you mentioned, si Jera Flores.
Lastimosa buries a free from the left wing. Si Coach Mike Reyes. Also had a stint with Valenzuela, if you remember. Let's get Jimenez forcing that one up. Transition opportunity, but Caliano stealing the pocket of Mateliano and
getting some of the things that they do in game for the teams that they handle.
Lastimosa pupukol sa 3.
I told you.
Second 3-point shot by Ron Lastimosa.
That's right. Second 3-pointer for Ron.
Larsunga
allowed 50 points in the paint para sa Pangasinan, but themselves getting only 26, and then allowing 30 fast break points for the Heatwaves, and on not defending transition play. Either way, you gotta get a stop and not allow so much points for your opponents in those departments.
Nakalusot si Kurt Nohera to Ramos pushing it. Patrick Ramos all the way for 2 points.
Ganda na aggressive.
Sarangay.
Love that action.
Kurt Lohera short. Sarangay there for the putback.
I think they take their look more from the dad. Medyo chinita na look.
Si Marilao. Maganda yung bitaw ngayong
tira na yun ni Jen.
38 seconds to go.
Gotta go for 2-4-1 here.
Quick move, Marvin Hayes, no. Sarangay there to stick it back in for the Muntinlupa Cagers.
Good possession for the Cagers. They get another crack at it. They're up 3, trying to defend this middle offensive set.
Kit Jimenez with the English on that shot.
Tsaka alam niya, yun ang role niya. Very makeable shot for Mark, pero ang ganda ng mga bump underneath, which made it a little bit uncomfortable for Mark to finish.
Martin Gozum nails a 3-point shot.
Second instance already that Patrick Ramos, I felt, could have risen earlier for that shot. Velches with a good stab. Pero itong Cages, kailangan, relax lang tayo dahil, one possession game lang to. Huwag tayo mapo-frustrate. You're pretty much in this and you gotta stay poised. Marvin Hayes providing the needed control para nakadiin ang depensa ng Sarangani,
Hayes versus Velches, backing him down. 6 seconds on their shot clock. Marvin Hayes fades away, short. Lepalam, no. Stick back again for Ladis Lepalam. In this ball game, lamang ulit ang Muntinlupa. 37-36. Stepping
shot.
into a free Marvin Hayes and complicated South Division.
Oo. Sobrang complicated nung South. Hindi mo malaman kung sino yung magta-top 4, sino yung papasok sa 10. Oh, what a move!
Outside, Jimenez draws closer. Got it back. Jimenez got Lepalam in the air and just in the nick of time finds Richard Velches for 2 points.
Ang kakat, itong si Richard Velches and always Kit Jimenez, very unselfish.
Matiliano setting up Lad. Jeff Viernes serving the floor. Pascual puts it up, puts it in from downtown.
And Jeff
Will burn some time. Matiliano, the fake. Pull-up jumper. Something he desperately needs. Ito si Domart Matiliano.
gotta get into a good rhythm.
Jimenez off the heels, taking the lead again. Instead, Sarangani remains on top just by a single point, 49-48. Jimenez straight to the rack, basket and
Very active with their feet.
biggest lead by either team was enjoyed by the Cagers earlier at 6 points. And Sarangani will match that with that float behind by 7 points. Matiliano buries a 3-point shot.
Horus, no? Yung flash middle ng big. Another one right here. This time by Domark.
Okay.
I don't know why he didn't take that attempt. He was pretty much inside.
Oh, the tip in. Hit Jimenez cleaning up his own miss. Popping it in. Lead down to 2. Lohera steals it again.
Gotta
Now he
take it.
takes that free and
There you
makes
go.
it.
You gotta take that shot. You can't just be, nonchalant about having a free shot. Oh, wow. Somebody's gotta stop. Lord.
Bounce pass ni Viernes. Papunta kay Marilao. Balik kay Jeff for free. Big time shot.
And defensive recovery for them on the defensive end.
Sarangay. Critical possession right here. Nice find. Sarangay though fails to finish, but
One
he
more.
grabs the rebound. Lohera for free. It's good.
First, before they head on to those next games.
Clear point. After that, Caloocan, Basilan, Rizal, and Quezon to round out their elimination round. Lahat malalakas para sa Muntinlupa. Oh, Lars Sunga able to clean it up. Double. Need to go quick here if you're Muntinlupa.
Yeah, gotta go quick.
Puroy having trouble. Lohera pulling up. Kurt Lohera. That was a difficult.
It's gonna go. Same thing.
Mark Sarangay catches Lohera. That's the swing pass to Matiliano for
wow.
free. Marilao perfect at the free throw line. And that continues. Clutch free throws from Danny Marilao. Sarangani, it's their best interest not to foul here while taking a 3-point shot. Ramos for free. It will pop out and that's gonna do it. Muntinlupa